I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my...
Are you filming?
At 7:15 there is nothing on.
Yeah, you're filming. On 8 PM, a tribute to the Rocket Man himself, Elton John. Billy Joel at 9 PM with Sean Mack. 10 o'clock, Benidorm's very own Sean Foster Conley.
Very good show we've been told to go and have a look at since Martin left. Still doing the business there.
Bay City Rollers on at 11. On at 12 AM is Queen Forever. And to finish the night off at 1 AM, Mr. C's Reggae Show, a tribute to Jamaica.
Yeah, so we got that out of the way, guys. Yep. Last stop open again. All your food. Plenty of food in there. Okay, most of the bars are getting back open now. Shout out, no one marks, I can't stop too long.
Bye, Kiki.
Bye, Kiki. Yeah, they're back open. Sorry, we're just not getting this today. It's not going to be one of the better videos I've done today, I'm sure. Okay, yeah. Work's still going on the Hotel Rudel there. Rudel. We don't get Rudel for, I don't know. So yeah, we're just going down here now. This looks really bright on the camera now. Oh. We'll have a look at this while we're down here. Might be a little bit bright, this one. It's played about on the camera, I think. Obviously we've got the ambassador over there. Ambassador 2 there. And ambassador 1 over there. Just trying to get up to the Western Saloon here. It's going to be a short video, this one. I'm not happy how the camera is. There's the Western Saloon back open. It's been pretty well packed since it's opened again. I think a lot of people are missing it. That looks a bit better, don't it, guys? I'm getting a few problems with the brightness on the camera at the moment. Okay, we're going to carry on now. I've got that sorted out. Yeah, shout out Top Notch, we just met.
Top Notch and Kelly.
And Kelly, yeah, I forgot about Kelly. So yeah, a couple of our fans. There's the Hotel California. We're just trying to get past that. We're probably going to get copyright on this, I think. We'll sort that out when we get there. And then we're just walking past that. We're up by the Crown now. Crown's got music on as well. Oh man, and then we'll get back to normal. Get them videos out of here. Them YouTubers. Yeah. So I just talk over it and just see what YouTube do. And you've got Starburst there. Stardust. What all that Starburst?
The sweets.
I don't want having a good day today. Okay guys, it's going to be a bit of a short one. I'm going to leave it there. We've got to go and meet some people. And we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.